Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 21 of the Beautymas series here on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a minimal makeup look, meaning that I'm not going to be using a lot of products, and this is also kind of like my winter makeup look. So I'm first going to start by priming the face. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. This is one of my favorites. Then I like to finish off the skin prep with a setting spray. This is one of my favorites. I'm like almost out of it. This is the Revolution Hydrate and Fix Radiance Makeup Fixing Spray. Alright, I'm just going to let that kind of soak in. Okay, now I'm going to brush through the brows. Then I'm going to use my NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. To fill in the brows. Then I'm going to brush through them again. Now I'm going to move back to the face. So for foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. This one is in Mont Blanc. For the brush, I'm going to use the Morphe & Ariel brush number A24. And I'm going to start applying the foundation. Now I'm going to apply some concealer. I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm going to go under the eyes and also on any blemishes. And then I'm going to start kind of blending it with a brush. Okay, I'm going to set the face using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. This one is in Sugar Cookie. My favorite brush to set the T-zone is the Morphe & Ariel brush number A14. And then I like to use a bigger brush to set the rest of the face. Actually, from the same brush collection, too. From the same brush collection, the Morphe & Ariel brushes, I'm going to take the brush A21 to set the outsides of the face. Now I'm going to take some, put on some blush. I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso and apply this to the cheeks. Next we're going to go to the eyes. So I'm going to take the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base and prime the eyes with this. Since this is a minimal makeup look, I didn't really want to do a full eyeshadow look, so I'm just going to do a nice sparkly shade. So I'm going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Flower Child. Off camera, super quick, I'm going to apply my mascara and lashes, and then we will be right back. Okay, now that my lashes and mascara is done, I'm going to now start with the lips. So I'm going to wipe off any foundation and the lip balm that I used. Then I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in Nude Beige and line the lips with this. Then I'm going to take my Review Beauty Effortless Lips lipstick in Dahlia. I'm going to set the brows using my NYX The Brow Glue in Clear. I'm going to finish off by spraying the ColourPop No Filter Setting Mist. that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for day 22. Bye!